One of our best-selling dash cams, the VIOFO A129 Duo, has announced that they will be releasing a 4K version named the A129 Pro Duo early next month. The A129 Pro Duo is the new flagship dash cam from VIOFO. We've had a chance to play around with it, and we're here to tell you what we think. On the surface, the A129 Pro and the A129 Duo look identical, with the exception of the Pro version now possessing a 4K f1.8 140 degree all-glass wide-angle lens. We find that all-glass lenses do fare better in high heat environments, so we are glad to find out that the VIOFO has followed suit in the footsteps of BlackVue, Thinkware and IROAD. Overall, we found that the A129 Pro is noticeably heavier compared to the A129 Duo. This is due to its built-in cooling system to withstand the 4K recording. Now let's talk about the features themselves. The front camera is equipped with a new 4K Sony Exmor sensor, a state-of-the-art image sensor that gives you 4 times more detail compared to the previous A129 Duo. We were quite satisfied with the 4K quality daytime and nighttime footage that we were able to capture through our drive. The A129 Pro rear only records in 1080p. Depending on your personal preference, it might be sufficient for you and your daily driving. We were quite impressed to learn that with its new Novatech processor chip, the A129 Pro can now capture footage in H.265 at high bit rate of 50 megabytes per second, or a maximum bit rate of 60 megabytes per second for the front, and around 14 megabytes per second for the rear. What this means for you is while your footage will offer excellent dynamic range and exposure, your file sizes will be bigger and thus it may fill up your memory card faster. We would recommend getting a larger SD card for the VIOFO A129 Pro, as it can support upwards of a 250GB SD card. However, do note that you can adjust the bitrate accordingly within the dashcam settings. Another notable feature of the A129 Pro includes its new 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, so you can now transfer footage to your iOS or Android phone up to 10 times faster. Buffered parking mode, super night vision, GPS module, and loop recording features are all intact, like its predecessor, the A129 Duo. The A129 Pro is coming soon to BlackboxMyCar and is designed to keep you safe and to capture all of your adventures ahead. We'll have more feedback for you in the coming weeks as we get more details from VIOFO itself. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our product experts at BlackboxMyCar today.